How to fix Valorant error version mismatch in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open the Riot client. Click on your account icon and select Settings. Select Valorant and choose Repair. Wait for the client to verify and repair the files. Restart the client and launch Valorant again. If that didn't work, find Riot client in the list of applications and check both the private and public boxes. Click OK to save your changes. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, exit Valorant completely. Close the Riot client from the system tray. Reopen the Riot client and wait for updates to be applied automatically. Launch Valorant again and check if the issue persists.